UMS Flowell. Performance under pressure. The pod hanger stabbing guide is an assembly tool that is used for guiding the pod hanger into the pod. During installation, it protects the pod hanger and pod sleeve seal areas from damage. The main body is manufactured from nylon, and the guide is robust and lightweight in its construction. The split funnel design is hinged, to allow fitment and removal. The guide features a spring-loaded stainless steel latch, to ensure that the stabbing guide remains firmly secured during the installation process. Handles made from aluminum and polyamide are located on either side of the stabbing guide body. Here we see the pod sleeve located at the top of the pod casing. The casing and sleeve have been secured with slips, ready for insertion of the pod hanger. At this point, the pod hanger hangs a few feet above the pod sleeve, prior to insertion. Open the hinge stabbing guide, and locate it onto the top of the pod sleeve as shown. The stepped internal profile of the stabbing guide lands against the top edge of the pod sleeve. Close the guide, and re-secure the latch mechanism. The pod hanger can now be carefully lowered into the pod casing as shown. The guide ensures correct alignment of the pod hanger into the pod sleeve seal bore, and helps prevent any damage to the pod hanger or pod sleeve. Once the pod hanger is stabbed into the pod sleeve, the stabbing guide is removed. The pod hanger is then landed fully and secured in place with a lockdown ring. For more information about the UMS Flowell Pod Hanger Stabbing Guide, please visit our website, or contact sales@umsflowell.com.